There's that cake for Emmy, all that cake. She said she just wanted a little bit.
You like Mummy's cooking, don't you? Eat your cake nicely. What? Is there something behind me? Is there something behind me? There's nothing behind me. Eat your cake. That's it. See, look, she's eating it. What? What's wrong with it? It's too big. Yeah, eat your cake. Oh
Right,
dear.
that's your bit now. I think we're going to end up with that on the floor. Okay, you don't want that whole bit, do you? No. It's just a bit more manageable.
Thank you. Good girl.
Right, what do you want then? Do you want tuna sweet seeded mustard, sun-dried tomato and onion, oven-dried tomato and basil, or tomato and capsicum?
What are the options again?